AP SSC 10th class exam Hindi paper important questions for June 2021. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Vamsi Krishna. So today I'm going to tell about the most important paper that's going to be Hindi paper. What kind of questions may appear in the public examinations of Hindi paper of 10th class SSC AP for June 2021. The friends, only one thing is, I suggest each and every student to watch the video completely first. If you watch the video completely, you can get a perfect idea what kind of important questions may appear in the public examinations of Hindi paper for June 21 of 10th class SSC AP. The friends, Hindi paper in this subject, in which each and every student, it is a very easy subject, and each and every student can get about 90% of marks in the public examinations. To get 90% of marks in the public examinations, only the secret and the best point is to get good marks in the public is practice. Practicing is very, very important. The first point. The second point is understanding the meaning of the question. If you understand the meaning of the question, if you understand the meaning of the answers, if you write in each and every question in a perfect paragraph, it is very easy to get a good marks in Hindi paper for June 2021 without any doubt. Getting good marks is very, very important to each and every student. The first foremost important is understanding the question, the meaning of the question, the concept of the question of each and every bit in Hindi paper. Next, practicing of each and every question in a rough book, and understanding, practicing, both the things are very, very important to get good marks. The most important thing is to know important questions of regarding Hindi paper of 10th class SSC regarding June 2021 in the description below. In the description below of this video, you can find the important questions of Hindi paper in the description below of this video for June 2021. You can easily get the important information of important questions in the description below of this video. Finally, I suggest is, if you want to get more marks, about 95%, the only thing is practicing, understanding the meaning and the concept is only the solution to get a good marks in the public exams. Finally, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel, click on bell icon so that you will get my update in next videos. Thank you so much.